Should I start, ma'am, or still people have to join?
Actually, still people are to join, ma'am.
Okay, we'll wait
You
for them.
start, ma'am. You start. You start the session, ma'am. I think they are not going to attend today.
They are not attending the sessions?
I hope so, ma'am. Just I will text back again in the group.
How many people are like how many? Five, four, three, how many?
Actually, there are 22 members in this batch, but
Okay.
only I
So
will
hello
just
everyone.
text back.
Okay, sir. Hello everyone. First of all, thank you so much, Suman sir, and everyone who just
Thank you, ma'am.
invited us for the telling you something very important that is beneficial for all of you. So basically, guys, as you all know, that we are starting with a event called Virtual Mela, which is a 5 days program. Okay, so this virtual Mela is now being applied to all the interns. That means you all interns can also participate in Virtual Mela. Virtual Mela is all about singing, dancing, drawing, sketching, singing, also poetry. We have reels making, fashion show. We have some programs for special children, and we have also started with ad making shows. So, guys, if see, guys, I know you all are the people who have talents inside them, but because of certain things, we just neglect our talent. So, I just request everyone to take participate in these programs, which is very affordable in price also. The price is just 30 to 50 rupees. And if you are very studious and if you really want to participate in quiz, the price is just 100 rupees. What you will get in return, if you win the competition, you will get cash prizes. Also, you will get ISO certificate. And if you don't win, don't feel demotivated. We will provide you with certificates. So, guys, see, I just request everyone to be a part of this mela, because through this you will easily captured by many people. You will easily be your talent will get a platform to showcase your skills and your talent. So like there are so many girls in the meeting. We have Akila ma'am, Dev Siri, Prasad sir, no ma'am, Kshitiz sir, Manisha ma'am, Pujita ma'am, Pratyusha ma'am, and so on. So girls are very very good in singing, dancing, poetry making, or poetry, or in poetry also there is no restriction to any language. You can use a Kannada or Malayalam, any language you are comfortable. You can use when go with the language, Hindi, English, anything. So see, I am here to let you make you feel that you are so special to us, to CD. CD respect you and respect the interns and their skills. So it's time to showcase your talent, showcase yourself. See, it is a lockdown time, so we all are at home. I know the exams are running, but to give some time to yourself doesn't make you mean. Okay, so I just request everyone to fill the form and be a part of this virtual mela, where you will get a chance to show what you have inside you with small and minimal amount, 30 rupees to 50 rupees only. And internship master is a program which we have on 23rd or 22nd. In that we have quiz competition for all the departments: technophilia, HR, marketing, finance. Okay, so now I just want everyone, if you are interested, do write in the chat box yes or no, ma'am. Because see, guys, if I can hold the confidence, then through this competition, you can also hold a good confidence and a good way to communicate with everyone. Don't feel shy, because we all team leaders will be there to support you, to encourage you, and to motivate you, especially me. Okay, so you can just thank you so much, Suman sir. So guys, you can just write in the chat box yes or no. If you're not interested, then no issues. We are a family. We'll not force you. But if you're interested, then please conduct with a yes, so that we feel motivated. That the people are also there, our families also there representing CD. Please, guys, I just want at least 5 yes, because see, the form is also not very expensive. It's just 30 rupees, 250 rupees only. Just itna hi hai amount, not more than that. So please, guys, just uh, you know motivate me by just some yes and some no. Yeah, we also have photography sessions also. Like I can see Akila ma'am DP is so beautiful. She has captured this greenery back, and the photo, like the dress she is wearing, is so beautiful, very beautiful, Akila ma'am. So like Akila ma'am can take part in photography. So guys, thank you so much for motivating me. I got 5 years, and that is all for my motivation. But still, see, five will work for me. But if I will get more family, that will make me more happy. Okay, because at the last we are a part of CD, right? So having part in the, and yes, we have also have games for boys. We have Ludo King. We have just 30 rupees games, 30 rupees only. We have Ludo King. We have Call of Duty. We have others also. I don't remembering the name. So you can take part, boys. You
Among
can
Us.
take part. Yes, sir.
Among Us is also there, ma'am.
Yes, sir. Right, right, right. So guys, come on, take part, guys. No worries. We will all be connected there. It will be a 5 days informal, type of get together with every of our family. We have been profession now. Let's be some informal profession. Let's keep profession aside for 5 days and be informal with everyone, like a friends and family. Please, everyone. Just one yes, and you will be enrolled with us in just 30 to 50 rupees. Okay, so Suman sir, the ones who have written yes, please help them to fill their forms and take their payments, and do share me the screenshot. Okay, sir.
Yes, ma'am. Sure, ma'am.
Okay, so I'm leaving the meeting right now, guys. So
Sure, ma'am.
Shraddha ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
here we have received 5 yes. Okay, they will do the payment, ma'am. We will go to one meeting. So I'm sharing the link. Please come in that meeting, ma'am. Here we got the people. Okay.
Okay. Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you so
Thank
much,
you
sir.
so much.
Thank you,
Thank you so
ma'am.
much, sir.
Thank you, ma'am.
Please fill their form, sir. Help them to fill their form.
Yes, yes, sure.
Thank you.
Uh, okay, guys. So let's start today's session. So even I have some announcements to make. My voice is audible, right? It's clear, right? Anyone can respond. My voice is clear,
Yes,
right?
sir.
Anyone?
Yes, sir. You're audible.
Yeah. Okay. So guys, as I told regarding the project thing, so I received only two teams, I guess. So once again, can you like write down your team names in the chat box? Manish ma'am, I guess you have your team, right? Just write the same thing in the chat box. And see, guys, like when you made a team, so make sure that you're choosing a good project. So project may be anything choose a project. Basically, what I mean to say is choose a project. It may be of any genre. And let's take you're making a keylogger, as I told, or you're combining some tools, or you're making some pen testing tools. Make sure that you're making some tools for your reference. Like it should be an experience for you as well. Uh, Prashant sir, have you made a team?
Yes, sir. I have made. There are three members in my team.
Who are they?
Topic is not yet decided. So one is Rashmi ma'am, and another I don't remember the name. Rashmi ma'am can say the name of the
Rashmi
member.
ma'am, do you remember the name?
Sir, one is Shubham, sir.
Shubham Sen.
I
Uh,
and sir, we all
Shubham
are in.
Sen, you and Prashant, right?
Yeah, but the topic is not yet decided.
Okay, okay, okay. Uh, so once again, I'll just note it down. Others, uh, Manisha ma'am, what about you? Am I audible, Manisha ma'am? Okay, what about Pratisha ma'am? I think you guys are on same team. Okay, I'll note down. Others, uh, Akila ma'am, what about you? Pradyumna sir? And Trinath sir, Chandu sir, have you made your team? Pushpa ma'am, Parik sir, have you made your team? Amrita ma'am, Amrita ma'am is done, I guess. Yeah,
No, sir, I haven't
Amrita ma'am is
made the
done.
team.
So others, shall I make the team? Just divide them and
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
okay. So guys, when you're making the like when you're conducting your project, so make sure that you give like first of all you write a synopsis. So synopsis, what you have to do, make it like a 5 page project or a synopsis should be short. So pages doesn't count. So the format of synopsis will be first page will be your team name, like group name and group members, team name and group members, and second will be introduction, and so guys, like in introduction, you can say like for example, recently I saw Shweta ma'am was developing some projects. So introduction, what it will be like, this project involves of developing a secure application or whatever it is, which is secure and it is end-to-end encrypted, and you can mention that we are doing these kind of things, and these are the features we are adding into it. These are the special features we are adding into it. All the basic needs, all the basic necessities, whatever it is there, you can add it. So as I told once, I told about the conference application. So you can write it as this project involves of developing a secure conferencing application, which mainly focuses on security of the organization and all. And then we see Zoom is like more. It is filled with market and it has no much security, and there was recent data breach and all. So we are making this project and all. You can add like that. So after introduction, there is a literature survey. So in literature survey, what you have to do, you have to write the old like existing projects. I just mentioned these are the existing projects, and these are the drawbacks, and whatever the things are, just mention it. These are the drawbacks, and it can be improved. So we have added this, and what all additional new features you are going to add, just mention that. After literature survey, add a proposed system. Uh, and after that add a proposed system. So proposed system will be how will work, like what languages you're using and what toolkits you're using, what and all the SDKs, and how the things will work. Basically will describe about what the project is all about. After that you can add a future scope of the project, and after that reference. Future scope will be what and all how it will be like necessary in this present world and all, and after that this all. So you should add at least 5 topics. That is, first one is introduction, literature survey, proposed system, future scope, and then reference. So am I clear? Any doubts? Anyone?
So please explain about this literature survey once more, sir.
So literature survey will be like drawbacks. Sorry, not drawbacks. Like present existing system. So if I am trying to make a conference application, so what I will use, I will use the open source. Like WebRTC, it is there. No, it is open source. So I can add the existing features and all whatever it is there. It is not that everything which I am trying to include in the project, I will be starting it from scratch. No, so I'll obviously add pre-existing all the like pre-existing open source, like WebRTC open source I will add, and even I will add Firebase, because Fire using Firebase, again like authentication will be possible using Firebase and all. It will be easier, no? So database also will include Firebase or AWS service. So literature survey will be what and all resources you will be using. Okay, like pre-existing resources that will come under literature survey. Fine, is that clear?
Yes, sir. Means we'll add what we have used in literature survey, what sources we have used.
Uh, yes, yes, right. All the sources and the pre-existing things and what
So
like
then
if you are
what will
use
be mentioned in reference?
reference will be like just a link of the particular or wherever the source you have taken. If you have taken some information from Wikipedia, so you'll add Wikipedia link. It's like that. So in literature survey, you will just brief it out exactly how it works.
Okay, sir.
So there is a literature survey I have. I'll just try to paste it in the chat box. It is for the conference application. Nowadays, almost all the application are used on password, but in real password authentication, it is not much secure due to many reasons. And also so that I'm not including just password, I'm also including two-factor authentication as it should be must like that and all. You can add important parts in literature survey and what and all you're using. If you're using WebRTC, uh, WebRTC is important. End-to-end encryption, all the features. Like if you are using open source, you can just give the information like history of that particular thing. Second one, we will be using WebRTC in the conferencing application. It's supposed real-time communication desktop as well as mobile. And also, if you are using Kotlin or JavaScript, why you are using Kotlin or JavaScript particular thing, you will mention that in that particular thing. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So others, any doubts? So I just wanted to know how many of you have installed virtual machines in the computer, or it is fine if you are using two systems or two machines like Linux and Windows. If you're having dual boot also it is fine. How many of you? Only two. What about others? Three, four. What about others? Others. Okay, five. Others. What about others? Shubham sir. And okay, I guess most of you are having the same thing. Like you're using virtual machine, so that's good. So if you're not having the virtual machine, I'll just share you a link of the video and just try to install a virtual machine in the system. Uh, yeah. So I thought of taking virtual machine, then I thought it is not that necessary because when you're trying all these things, virtual machines, if you know how to install it and all, that's fine. And also, I don't have Windows machine, so I can't install this like showed live practically. It was not possible for me. Okay, guys, you can lower your hands. So till today, you have any doubts? So coming weeks, we'll try to do some hand practicals. First one is since we'll use sys internal tools, and after that we'll use file carving. We'll create forensics image, cyber forensics image, CFI, and one more. I just forward that, but next week we have five practicals online. Just a second, let me see what it is. And there is one more Nmap. Sorry, I was disconnected. So one more last one is Nmap. So any doubts till now? Anyone? Guys, any doubts? Mm, So I assume there are no doubts. So guys, Monday's class will be it will be converted to offline or online. I'll just inform you. And today's class, today's assignment will be you have to upload virtual machine image or screenshot of your virtual machine image in the Google Classroom. Okay. So that's it, guys. That's it for today, and it was a small session. So next, yeah, anyone?
So,
Session?
so for the attendance, I'd like to ask the interns to mention their name in the chat box.
Okay, guys, just write down your names in the chat box. It's for the attendance purpose. Only 9. Yeah, guys, you can leave. That's it for today. Okay, guys, you can leave the session.
Sir, can you share the SSH commands to connect AWS virtual machine, sir?
That one, have you like created your account and in AWS?
Yes, sir. After those three commands, we have to link the path to key file. No, sir.
So just in the AWS console, there is option to connect, and there only you'll get option. I'll share you a reference link for the same. Just text me hi in the WhatsApp right now.
Sir?
Just text me in WhatsApp now.
Okay, sir.
Yes, Prashant sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, actually, just wanted the link for that event, the virtual Mela event.
Link for that form submission.
Yeah, yeah, right.
Okay, sir. I'll send you right away.
Okay, fine. Yes, yes.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.